227, Gpudata and Gpusync refactoring. Inside of the Gpudata constant section, we have some constants, and they have the same exact name that they had in ArtGirl, but now they have a new namespace of Gpudata, and then C for constant if you don't remember that part. These right here should not have been refactored, so I undid that change and made a note to don't do that. Here is our texture sampling slot for Pix 2048. Here is the shebang that needs to go in our WebGL shader code, and here's the version of WebGL we're asking for. The bubble brackets indicate a loose inheritance. MAR stands for moved and refactored, and obviously the video number on, which is 227, hence the number in the bottom corner. Here is the ArtGirl constants. We did not get rid of the constants. So the constants are still here, but now ArtGirl doesn't get to decide their value. So we've made this dependency chain where ArtGirl depends on Gpudata, right? We just kind of chained these together. I reneged on this, so I put 0 and 1 back here. And then over here, right, we're kind of chaining the Gpudata value with the ArtGirl value, right? So it's the same names, but different namespaces. So basically, we're creating what I would call data inheritance, I guess is what you could call this. We're not doing OOP, but you could definitely call what we're doing here with this chaining of variables. We could definitely call that inheritance of some form. Okay, so on to the next section. I made a mistake here. I was putting stuff here and it did not belong here because this is the constant section. This is what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. You can pause to read that because we got to get out of here. You've been on this playlist. Longer explanation is here. Source code's here. Email me here. This has been video 227. Like, subscribe.